How's it going, everyone? My name is Dan, but you can call me Malone, and today we're going to Amsterdam. So you might remember a couple of weeks back I made a video discussing a brand new investing platform which had launched in Ireland. The name of that investing platform was BUX Zero. In that video we made a tutorial where we discussed the various features which were available on the platform. But another thing we discussed in that video was that BUX Zero are very good at developing financial educational content. And because they had decided to launch in Ireland, they wanted to make some educational content that was specified for the Irish market. So they kindly asked me to go over to their Amsterdam office and help them to develop this content. I gladly accepted, and today we are flying to Amsterdam and I'm bringing you along on the journey. Okay, so we've arrived here at the hotel and I'm honestly so excited to head over to the BUX Zero HQ tomorrow and start work on these videos. We've got some really great videos planned for you all, covering topics such as growth investing versus value investing, passive versus active investment management, and videos covering the various different asset classes available for investment. As I mentioned in the BUX Zero tutorial and review video, it's honestly great to see a company like this invest so much resources into their educational content. And I honestly feel privileged to be making this content for the BUX Zero Irish investing community. So join me tomorrow where we'll be heading over to the BUX Zero HQ and making a start on this project. See you then. Okay, so we're here outside of the BUX Zero HQ and we're about to start our day of recording. Let's head on inside. So I've just finished up shooting for the day at the BUX Zero headquarters, and what an experience it was. I've said it before and I'll say it again, it's great to see a company like BUX invest so much resources into financial education. Everything I do on the Malone Financial YouTube channel is about financial education and highlighting its importance in all of our journeys to achieving financial independence. So the opportunity for a content creator like me to collaborate with a company like BUX wasn't one to be passed up, and I'm very happy that I could be a part of it. I'm so excited for all of you to see the finished product, so make sure you keep an eye on the BUX Zero YouTube page and their website. All that's left now is to enjoy the rest of our time in Amsterdam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.